Now to solve this expression, we must follow the BODMAS rule, which dictates the order of operations. First, we solve brackets. Bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket. O stands for O, we convert into multiplication, square roots, cube roots, and exponents. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now step 1, solve the innermost parentheses. As you can see here, inside these brackets we follow the DMAS order. We perform division before subtraction. Now division part, and after we subtract, the value 6 minus 5 equals to 1. Now conclusion, the innermost bracket simplifies to 1 and the expression then 1 minus 30 curly bracket of plus 2 multiplied by 10 divided by 5. Now according to this step 2, solve the curly brackets. Next we solve the operations inside the curly braces. Note that a number next to a brackets implies multiplication. Now first 5 into 1 equals to 5, and then after we subtract, the value 5 minus 30 is minus 25 because larger digit has a negative sign. Now according to this step, the curly braces simplifies to minus 25. Now the expression becomes minus 25 plus 2 multiplied by 10 divided by 5. Solve the remaining operations outside the brackets. Now we apply the DMAS to remaining terms. First we divide the values after multiplication and then addition. Now first divide the values. 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. And expression becomes minus 25 plus 2 multiplied by 2. Now next multiply the digits. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4 and expression becomes minus 25 plus 4. Now next is addition. Minus 25 plus 4 is minus 21 because larger digit has a negative sign. Final now value minus 21. After performing division and multiplication, we add the results to the reach final value. The BODMAS, according to this expression, the final value is minus 21, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.